Hi sir, this is Emily and I'm going to do my velocity observation questions. Hi sir, so before we're doing the observation, we have to first look through the whole question and get the information. So after I read the question, I know that the air velocity of the plane is 160 kilometers per hour. So I use vector VA to represent the air velocity and its magnitude should be 160. So it's here. So it's also with the direction south 67 degrees west here, and the west wind of 60 kilometers per hour. So I use vector VW to represent the wind velocity. So its magnitude should be 60 kilometers per hour. So because I want to draw a really accurate graph here, so I have to calculate the ratio between the vector VA and vector VW's magnitude. So it's 8 and 3. So I basically draw the magnitude of vector VA for 6.5 centimeters and the magnitude of vector VW for approximately 2.4 centimeters. So attention here, so it says it's a west wind, right? So it's blow from west to east, so the direction should be like this. And here is our vector VA here. So now we have to draw the ground velocity. So the vector VG is basically the addition of vector VA and vector VW. So we have to do the vector addition here. So why I choose parallelogram? Because their tails are touched. So we have to draw using the parallelogram. So I extend this dot line here and let the tails are touched and the head to be the opposite corner of the parallelogram here. So I get my vector VG here. And don't forget, here's the angle here, south 67 degrees to the west. Okay, so now I finish all the drawing progress and I have to calculate the magnitude here. So I use cosine law here, use this magnitude formula. So like the opposite angle of this vector VG is 23 here. So I put cosine 23, and here is the other two sides of it is 160 and 60. So after I calculated, I get the magnitude of vector VG is approximately 107.4 kilometers per hour. So after I doing the magnitude, I have to find the direction of the ground velocity. So I basically want to use cosine law, but instead the sine law, because I want to ignore the ambiguous case, which will make my life much more easier. So I have to find that we want the angle alpha here. So we have to use 67 degrees to minus this angle theta. So we have to first find the angle theta. So angle theta's opposite side is 60. So I write 60 here. And here's the other two sides. One is just we calculated, and the other one is the given information. So we have to find the cosine theta, and after the calculation, I find that the theta is approximately equals to 12.6 degrees here. So we can just use 67 degrees minus this cosine, minus this theta here to get alpha. So 67 degrees minus 12.6 degrees and get 54.4 degrees. So we can get the final conclusion that the ground velocity is approximately equals to 107.4 kilometers per hour and with the direction south 54.4 degrees west. So it's basically is the angle here. So it's my angle here. So it's 54.4 degrees here. So, and that's it for the whole observation. And thank you for listening.